Hey guys, it's Dima from DIVEDEER and today we're checking this thing. And this is not exactly some real brand, I think. It is called DIVEDEER and this is a window cleaning robot. Let's see what is this and how it works. So guys, this is the robot. What you need to do is, you have here this thing that you open up and put some water. Now they claim you should only put water. I'm not sure about that. A friend of mine who actually seems to have one of these, or this similar model, claims that indeed you should only put water and it cleans very well. Now actually I already tried it. It seems like it does clean pretty well. I would still try to put, at least on the window, some of this thing for, for windows, like window cleaner, but it seems like the water does it thin as well. So we have here the power plug that is safe, so sort of you need to screw it in also, and you have this safe hook that is attached, and let me show you, where is this, with a hook like this. So you can put it like somewhere, and in case the robot will fall, so this will hold it not to fall, all the floors that you have or something. So it is already connected actually, and it does come with a remote if I can find it here. Yep, here it is. So the remote requires two AAA batteries. We have a couple of buttons actually. I already figured out a bit of things here. And let me try to get closer and try to show you this thing. We'll need somehow to get the light. Those are a lot cleaning to each side that you want. So left, right and up. You can just go to any direction that you want. Play pause, of course. If you press on this thing, it will automatically spray the water. If you press and it beeps 2 times, it means it's on. If you press and beeps 1 time, it means it's off. And we have this that pretty much spray on demand, something like that. So this is the remote, quite cool. Actually, I didn't think I will need the remote. I thought I actually just press on that and that's it. And yeah, that's pretty much something that you do. Now, I think if I get close, you'll hear how much noise it makes. So, I already cleaned from the inside actually, but let me try to show you this, and I'll try not to get in the way, but you just hold it like this and one press on the power button. Continue holding it. And now you can pretty much take off your hands and you can just press once, or you can do this also on the remote and just we'll try to press play. And here we go. Or maybe no. Yeah. It took a while for some reason, I'm not sure why, but it does work. So about that thing with automatic spraying, you hear that's 1 beep, it's turned off now. Now it's 2 beeps, it's turned on. So that's it, that's how it is cleaning. I gotta be honest, it didn't fall so far, it works pretty well. It's automatic, it will go up, it will go to the sides, it will go down. I think you can sort of change which way it goes, so left to right, right to left, things like that. But honestly, I didn't really try it. And you can see I didn't really hook it to anything. But once I'll do it outside, I will hook it. And you'll see just a video of this, but I'm not going to talk or anything. And about the noise, so let me try to get the microphone to it, and honestly I want to try and turn off the noise cancellation. Currently noise cancellation should be off, I'm not really sure actually. So as you can hear, it is not something way too terrible or something. I mean, it sounds like a vacuum cleaner, I guess. I mean, it is a vacuum cleaner after all. I mean, it doesn't do any vacuuming on the window, but actually it does vacuum in order to stay on the window. That's pretty much how it holds on. So yeah, that's how it goes pretty much. Now, I did see something that... by the way, the thing that you see here, it's from the outside, so if you see here something dirty, it's from the outside, not from the inside. Yeah, well, from the inside pretty much it should be clean, but there are some like links that I can find here and there from that thing. The cloths, the cleaning cloths, I think we can call them. From what I understood, if you actually clean it 1, 2, 3 times or something, it will go away and it will clean very well. I guess it just time will tell, but so far I'm really happy with this thing. I mean, I don't want to climb there and do that thing, and this is doing it for me, especially on the outside. So yeah, I guess it's a win-win situation here. Thank you for watching this Dinos Tech episode. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you won't miss any future video. And I'll see you on the next one.